Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Eagle Peak 6x4 Portable Walk-in Greenhouse, the best greenhouse instant pop-up tent you'll find for your garden. If you're looking for something that makes gardening easier and more convenient, you're in the right place. This greenhouse is designed to simplify your gardening process, allowing you to set it up in seconds. That's right, no tools, no hassle. Thanks to Eagle Peak's innovative easy setup technology, one person can have this greenhouse up and ready to use in no time. It's a breeze to get started, and once it's up, the design is sturdy enough to withstand various outdoor conditions, helping your plants thrive. The 6x4 feet size provides ample space to work with, giving you room to store your plants, vegetables, or even flowers without feeling cramped. You can easily move around and even place shelving units inside, thanks to the generous walk-in design. The greenhouse also features a zippered roll-up door, giving you the flexibility to control airflow and access to your plants. Made with a steel frame and a reinforced polyethylene cover, the Eagle Peak greenhouse is built to last. It's durable enough to stand strong against most weather conditions, ensuring your plants are safe and protected from the elements. And, if you're worried about air circulation, the greenhouse includes mesh windows that let the breeze through while keeping pests out. The best part? It's portable. You can easily take this greenhouse down, pack it away, and set it up again whenever you need it. It's perfect for extending your growing season, whether you're using it in the spring, summer, or fall. And because it's so easy to transport, you can take it with you if you move, or simply pack it away during the winter months when you're not using it. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this greenhouse is a perfect addition to your outdoor space. It's simple, practical, and designed to help your plants flourish no matter what season it is. Plus, Eagle Peak stands behind their products with a 1-year limited after-sale protection, ensuring you're covered in case anything goes wrong. That's all for today's review of the Eagle Peak 6x4 Portable Walk-in Greenhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next product breakdown. We'll be back with more reviews here at Product Critique. Happy gardening!